Normal English, hurry up. Better English, shake a leg. Normal English, have a nice day. Better English, have a cheerful day. Normal English, you make me laugh. Better English, you crack me up. Normal English, it's raining outside. Better English, it's pouring outside. Normal English, give it a try. Better English, give it a shot. Normal English, I don't care. Better English, see if I care. Normal English, I'm so sad. Better English, I feel blue. Normal English, I'm very happy. Better English, I'm over the moon. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our YouTube channel, IELTS TOEFL English Teacher, and spread this post as much as possible. May God bless you. Amen.